Hi, today we'll learn about EON Illuminate in art and paintings and sculptures. First, you want to select the painting. You just say Mona Lisa, and images pop up of Mona Lisa and also models. You select your model, the one you want, and examine it carefully, and suddenly you drop it down in your room. And now you can examine it even further, and guess what? You can place it on your wall. And now you can admire, enjoy it with perhaps some classical music. Now, repeat. But in this case, I'm going to do paintings of Van Gogh and his bedroom. In fact, I'm going to put his bedroom in my bedroom by selecting some type of painting and then bringing it in 3 dimensions. So here it is. I examine the window. First, this one looks pretty good. Although I think I want a little bit higher resolution than this one. And there it is, now in my bedroom in full scale. I can walk inside his bedroom as a part and an elongation of my physical workroom. So inside my workroom, I have Van Gogh's bedroom. I can also continue my journey, and now I want to do something more surrealistic. Why not Salvador Dali? So I add annotation, I get the various paintings I like. Inside my application, I deep dive in one of those to make sure that's correct, and I'll place it, after I examine it carefully, in the corner of my room. So I have this surrealistic corner. Let's now dive in. So now it's in my room, and I'm physically walking inside this painting as a part of my room. So these are the classics, but we can do tsunami waves, or why not something of Picasso deconstructing one of his most famous paintings in 3 dimensions and walking through this painting in real time, while always keeping in mind the original. Why not Dali, his famous painting? But again, it's not enough to have it in 2 dimensions. I want to dive inside, and this sketch is perhaps not as fancy as Dali, but it has some benefits. One of them is that I can go and see the lady from the front. There she is. And let's continue the journey. Van Gogh again. Now an interpretation in 3 dimensions in my room. I can visit a church and see this in the 3 dimensions of a sculpture almost. But let's go modern now. Bullet time. If you all remember Matrix or Inception, this is a version of that. It's a sculpture, but it's not your normal sculpture. It's something that builds up in real time. How about the moon? Can moon be the art? Yes, perhaps the backside of the moon can be art. Let's try it. Let's look inside. So the moon is now inside my room, and I can glance out. It's kind of a project in progress. So I think we need to do some final touches. Let's add some of the aspects. So it's a bit like the flat earthers. There are people that believe there's something strange in the backside of the moon, so we need to make sure that we keep the deception there, all in the name of art. So enjoy EON Illuminate and try it yourself.